Hey everybody, it's Marissa. I just wanted to get on because I am getting ready to make dinner and I thought why not share this video with all of my friends. So right here I have the quick cooker, and those of you that have seen my videos, you've probably seen me use this before, but I was thinking to myself, I have chicken sausage in the fridge. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, so why not throw it in the quick cooker and make a pasta dish? So what I did was I have this on sear right now. So I have about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in there, and I'm just going to let it heat up for a little bit, and I'm going to throw the sausage in here in a minute. So I'm just going to make an easy thing, pasta with sausage. Instead of ground beef, I'm going to use chicken sausage. So those of you that aren't familiar with the quick cooker, this is our pressure cooker. So this is the perfect item for busy parents, busy moms, busy dads that have kids in sports, after school activities, or if you're like me and you're a teacher, when I get home, I don't really feel like cooking. So this is the perfect product for me. So right now I'm going to stick 5 pieces of the sausage in here, and you hear that it's sizzling, so that means it is pretty hot. So I'm going to grab my mix and chop, and when I have sausage in my pasta, I like to make it all ground up. So I'm just going to do this. Actually, maybe I'm not going to do that. I'm going to let it cook for a little bit, see if I can do it. It's a little too hard for me to ground it right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sear this for a few minutes, and then I'm going to add pasta, and I'm going to add tomato sauce. And you're probably thinking, you're going to put pasta in that. Yes, this can cook pasta. I don't need to boil water on the stove or anything like that. I was going to use my rock crock in the microwave for the pasta, but I don't have any chicken stock, so that's not going to work for me right now. So I'm going to try this again. Yeah, I don't think that's going to work, so we're not going to have ground sausage. I'm just going to have to slice it up. So I'm just going to let this cook for a little bit. Just get it browned. It doesn't need to be fully cooked, because when I put it in the pressurizer setting, it's going to then cook itself. So I'm just going to let it brown for a couple minutes. And make sure you put enough oil in here, because I didn't put quite enough in and it's starting to stick at the bottom. So don't be like me and do that. Okay. And another nice thing about this is you can basically set it and forget it. Like me right now, I'm searing, but once I have everything else in here that I need, I am just going to let it go. Okay, so that's browned. So now I'm going to put in my tomato sauce. So I canceled the sear setting. And this, you want to put at least a cup of liquid in here. And this is 23 ounces, so that's well over a cup. But I'm also going to add water to it because I'm putting pasta in. And I just want to make sure that I have enough liquid in there. So now I'm going to add my pasta. And I'm going to break it in half because it cooks faster that way. And I probably flung it all over the place. But if you've ever gone to the grocery store and seen the mini pasta, it's amazing. It comes in a box half the size of this, and you don't have to worry about when you break it having it fling everywhere like I just did. So I'm going to put about half of the box in here. I'll let that in there. I'm actually going to add some more water because I don't want my pasta to burn. Alright, so I'm just going to mix that around. And then what I'm gonna do is I cancel this. I'm gonna put the lid on. And you wanna make sure the icons at the top are facing each other. It looks like a little cloud, or actually they should be facing the same way. I shouldn't say facing each other. So then I'm gonna turn the dial to, actually I'm gonna leave it where it is. I'm gonna do custom, and then I'm going to do 30 minutes. So it'll pressure ice first, and then it will cook for 30 minutes. And then once it's done, I'm gonna stir in some spinach, let that wilt down. And then in 30 minutes, I should have dinner. God willing, this doesn't burn. So I will be back in a little while to show you the finished product. I'll say probably about 40 minutes I'll be back and dinner will be done. So I'm just gonna set this, walk away and fold some laundry, and I will be back soon.